Assembling a teleprompter is not difficult. You don't have to be a tech expert to set up your very own device. Let's go through the steps together. What will you need for setting up your teleprompter? There are a few necessary tools you will need for a killer teleprompter setup: a tripod, a teleprompter rig, an iPad, and an iPhone for control. With the Teleprompter app, you can actually use a variety of devices for remote control other than an iPhone. For example, a presentation remote, a foot pedal, or even a game controller. Before the real setup starts, you need to assemble the rig following the instructions that are attached to each product. You also have to prepare the camera and your Apple devices, which are all getting connected in your Pro teleprompter setup. Assembling the hardware. First, set up the tripod at a comfortable height. Make sure that it is stable and won't tilt in any direction under the weight of the camera. Then, remove the base of the tripod and screw it into the bottom of the teleprompter rig for maximum stability. After that, you can easily place the rig on the tripod and begin setting up the camera on the mount at the back of the rig. Our solution allows for a variety of camera sizes, so you don't need to worry about your device being too large for the rig. Adding the camera. Screw the camera onto the rig and position the lens as close to the glass as possible. Make sure it holds the camera securely. Setting up the display device. The setup is now ready for your Apple device, which will actually serve as the display for you to read during the shooting of the video. We recommend using an iPad, which you need to place horizontally in the designated space. Place it securely and don't forget to align it with the display area. Adding the hood. In order to make the text visible on the beam splitter glass and eliminate reflections from the glass in the recording, carefully attach the hood to the rig. This allows for maximum visibility of the text, so you can read your script easily and smoothly from the display. Setting up the software. Finally, download and launch the Teleprompter app on the iPad and the remote device, and connect the two devices via Bluetooth. The app can be downloaded from teleprompter.com for free, or you can opt for the Pro version that comes with additional features. By connecting the devices, your teleprompter setup will be almost ready to rock. The only thing left is adding the script and making some additional adjustments for displaying of the text. Then, you can turn on the camera and start professional content creation. Try it now. Check the link down below.